it's 150,000.
150 new one right now cost. Short quick preview about the video. So just talk with my neighbor and he will make a van tour. So prepare some snacks and enjoy the video. Hello.
Hi.
Tell us about your van, about yourself a little bit.
About my van is a Hymer Grand Canyon S. It's 6 meters long. And
Hymer, right?
Hymer. Yeah. Yeah, it's 6 meters long and have a platform with my bike, and I travel the coastline, now the south of Europe. I started in the fall season in Scandinavia, and now I'm here.
You're from Germany?
And I'm from Germany, yeah. My name is Fabian.
Fabian from Germany?
Fabian from Germany, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give us a small tour?
Come in.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's the inside of my van I'm living for.
So both seats turning, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's very nice when you have a good seating place.
Yeah. Okay.
And I have a top, tent over my roof.
How long is it? Like, what is the
it's 2
size?
meters.
2 meters
It's
and
by 130.
130 to 2 meters.
Yeah. It's bigger than this other bed. Some place to cook.
Here's some lights, or what is it? Here's electricity.
Yeah,
lights, right?
Electricity for the step. Electricity.
This one.
Yeah. On the outside you have a plug.
Yeah.
And then you can use 220 volts.
Ah,
inside.
okay, I got it.
If
220 if you can.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, to cook.
For cooking. For
Washing.
cleaning.
Yeah.
What about the tank for water?
That's 100 liters.
100 liters.
Yeah, 100 liters of fresh water and 75 liters of grey water.
Do you use your, for example, toilet or
I use
shower?
it in my toilet, yeah.
Use it?
Yeah.
Every day,
Here.
okay.
Small but pretty. Yeah, you have your sink. Yeah, the toilet space. And you can remove the bottom. And then you can shower. You can raise it up, put it out.
What is the height here, by the way? Like I think it's 190 maybe maximum.
Yeah,
Even
180. Yeah.
Even maybe 180. Yeah. Okay.
It's not so big.
What
It's a bit more without the bottom.
Yeah. What is your height?
My height is 170.
170. Okay.
Yeah.
Mine as well.
For me, it's comfortable here.
Yeah.
Friends complained about it.
Yeah.
About the height, I need to stand.
But here
like
in general, like, what is the height? Like here,
I think 2 meters.
2 meters.
2 meters, a bit below. It's the L2H2 camper size, as length and height.
Okay, this one is electricity. You have solar panels.
It's 180.
180 watts, and you use it for mostly for what?
Mostly for electricity and the fridge.
Electricity and fridge.
Yeah.
Is enough. 180.
When it's cloudy, not. When the sun shines, yeah. But when it's cloudy like this, or you stand in the shadow of some tree or something like that, it's going down.
This one for cooking.
Yeah, for cooking, and I have some
some more storage.
Here, some storage and pans
and everything. Okay.
Yeah, something like that. Here, my heater. My heater panel is here for warm water, and for the heating, I heat with gasoline.
Gasoline.
Yeah, or diesel gasoline. Yeah, and also warm water. I have a 10-liter boiler.
Okay.
Warm water, yeah, for the shower.
Okay, some more shelves over here around the bed.
Some clothes and the bed.
What is the size of the bed? This one 190.
Yeah, and in the feet size 120.
How about the storage under?
Stuff I don't. 2-seater, and my ramp is there for the motorcycle. Can manage my camper. It's a on-off button, water pump, and so you can see the electricity of the car, my fresh water, my grey water, and electricity of the camper. I have 2 batteries. So this is 223.
190 horsepower.
Yeah, 4 liters.
4-wheel drives.
Yeah.
How much fuel it eats in 100 kilometers?
It depends. Mostly 12 liters. New, it's 150,000.
150, a new one right now cost. You bought with 7,000
Yeah,
kilometers.
it was relatively new.
And right now it's 33.
Yeah. I bought it for 125,000.
Okay.
Yeah. It's mostly for two persons.
Yeah, for two I think should be okay.
Yeah.
And good that you have motorcycle, so you can go anywhere.
Yeah,
as well. So you
good.
can park this one anywhere.
Yeah, and then you can drive in the city.
What is your plans in general? Where do you plan to go?
I'm planning to go in the middle of Spain to Madrid, and then to the coastline, Portugal, downside. Yeah. I will work with children that have social disabilities. Yeah.
You work online or?
No, they come after school. They came to us, and then they're staying there, eating lunch, and doing the homework with them. I quit my job last in the September.
Yeah. It's what you've done before, and then you start to travel.
Yeah. And now I'm traveling a year, and then I'm doing some another work.
Okay. Do you planning to travel and live like this, or just like part-time, and you planning to settle down somewhere?
I think I travel back.
Back to Germany?
Back, yeah. And then...
Is it tough or not in general, this kind of lifestyle?
If you're used to it? No.
No?
No.
Do you have any bad experience so far?
Really bad experience?
I don't know, maybe somebody tried to rob you.
No.
No?
Actually, no. I try to stay there where I feel safe, but mostly I do wild camping, so...
You prefer to stay on, like, somewhere on the nature?
Yeah.
What kind of advice you can give to those people who plan to start this kind of lifestyle?
Let it go. The best you have, what you have. I rented some mobiles before.
Okay.
Yeah.
For how long?
Mostly so 2 weeks. I found this model is the best compromise of everything I want.
Yeah.
I want a very small vehicle.
Yeah, so you can park anywhere.
Yeah.
And you can go like somewhere where
and
others cannot go.
Yeah. And Bavaria is near Italy, and Italy they have narrow roads, and I want to drive them and don't park at the camping site, and then I'm stuck at that.
Yeah.
Rent some different vehicles.
Rent and then before to buy, right?
Yeah, so you can see what you expect.
Yeah, it's not for everyone.
No.
You want to tell.
Most of the times you never know you're asleep. What's your sleeping place? That's an experience.
It's true.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you too.